Hello everyone, welcome to Nepbot's tutorial series for using Discord. Today I'm going to show you how to create a role on Discord. Now in our last video we showed you how to create a server. Once you have done this, go to the server settings of the server you plan to use and you will see the roles tab on the left for that server. Hit create role. Now think of a name for that role. I'm going to use moderator. So I'm going to create a moderator role. You can also select a color for that role, and I'm going to choose red. Now if you scroll down to this part, you can also choose to display role members separately from online members. This will display role members in a different category in the member list when they are online. You can also find the Enable Anyone to Mention This Role option here. When enabled, you can directly mention this role and everyone with that role will receive the mention. Next, hit Save Changes. Let's do that again to create another role. This time, I will name the role Admin and set the color to yellow. Be aware that there is a default role called Everyone, which has all of the basic permissions. Every member of the community receives this role and it cannot be removed. All roles are ranked in hierarchical order. Roles ranked higher up will have power over those ranked below them. So you need to make sure that, for example, the admin is always above moderators and other roles. You can drag and drop the roles here to change the order. Now there are two roles that have been created in this server. To manage the members to be included in certain roles, you can either do it here in roles, then manage members, or you can simply assign a role to a member via the profile or remove it. Okay, so that's how to set up a role. Thank you for watching and look out for our next video on creating channels. Bye bye.